The process of organizing exhibitions consists of many stages which take up a large amount of resources and time. EXPOVISION is a multifunctional online platform that will help you with organizing exhibitions. We digitize exhibition venues and give users the opportunity to walk through a virtual exhibition, choose a place to build in a stand, make visual equipment, and appoint meetings with partners. EXPOVISION will allow you to simplify the process of organizing exhibitions due to the following features. 1. Personal accounts for your customers. Registration of exhibitors on the platform will allow you to reduce the time spent working with clients. All information about exhibitor will be available to you through the cloud storage at any time. 2. The possibility of visual equipping of the stand. You no longer need to spend most of your manager's working hours for communicating with exhibitors. By our innovative solution, user can choose the place to build a stand, visually decorated, and select all necessary equipment. After registration, you will receive detailed information on the construction of the stand. 3. Business meetings. You will have an automated platform due to which the organization of business meetings at exhibitions takes only a couple of clicks. 4. Cloud storage. Databases of exhibitors and information about all your exhibitions is available in the protected cloud. You can unload the necessary information at any time. 5. Marketplace. In addition to exhibition services, our platform also contains an exhibition calendar, where any user can find information about certain exhibitions, as well as gain access to a virtual tour where they can view detailed information about all exhibitors. Marketplace will allow you to attract additional customers, both in the form of exhibitors and as visitors of the exhibition. We also adapt our platform to the virtual reality. EXPOVISION offers you an innovative solution for organizing exhibitions, which will save you time and resources.